Hello students, this is Sandy Chastres, Principal of Simmons Career. I want to welcome you to our year 2021. It's going to be an exciting year, but I think also a lot of uncertainty. However, I want to make sure that you guys feel comfortable, and of course a year of change, and we're going to have to carry a little masks with everything that we do. We need to social distance ourselves. A lot of things are going to look different this year here at Simmons. We're going to try to maintain our classes smaller. We're going to be creative in terms of how we're going to welcome you, how we're going to feed you, how we're going to dismiss you. Keeping in mind that at the same time, we're going to continue a tradition. We're going to fully commit ourselves to you guys and making sure that you get caught up with your grades, that you earn and pass the different assessments, per the county and per the state. And we're going to make sure that we'll put you on the path to graduate. If not, get caught up to where you need to be, that you graduate and you do it with all the decorations and bells and whistles that we do for every graduation. In terms of what graduation looks like, more to come. But like I said, this is going to be a different year, but we really need your help. We need to make sure that you guys understand the social distancing aspect of it, that we have to wear a mask, the washing your hands, the taking breaks, the looking out for each other. Because with this pandemic doesn't really differentiate in terms of age, in terms of gender, in terms of what color you are. It really doesn't. So in order for us to survive and do the kinds of things that we need to do to make sure that we graduate you, we need your help. So please make sure that you do everything you need to, and that you don't put us in a situation where we had to take action because you failed to do what you need to do. Once again, we need to look out for each other. I welcome you guys, and I have the most security and hope that we're gonna have another awesome year and another awesome graduation class. I welcome you, and I hope that you would help us to do what I know we're capable of doing. Keep it real.
Oh, wait a minute. That might look a little new, those masks, and so sometimes we forget that we have them on. So first of all, I'd like to introduce myself. I am Peggy Obel, and I am your new assistant principal. I am officially taking Miss Y's place. So I am excited for this year, although this year is gonna look completely different. So kind of two thoughts, those students who are coming back to us brick and mortar, and then those students who are going to be with us for e-learning. Those of you that come to us that are going to be face-to-face, we can't wait to see you. And we do want to let you know, both your e-learners and our brick and mortar face-to-face kids, that next week, your Smart Start week is going to look a little bit different. It's not anything to get excited or upset about. It is really just an introduction, talking about how procedures are going to be done, what it's going to look like, the mandatory masks that if you're here face-to-face are required. It'll kind of introduce you to Canvas, which is our new learning management program, and how you're going to access it and how you're going to access your schedule, and then how your teachers have those set up. So the goal for next week for all students here at Simmons is going to be the Smart Start week, and that you just get acclimated to our new learning management program and to the new expectations. So we plan, no matter what, even if we're teaching during a pandemic, our plan is that we're going to continue the tradition of excellence here at Simmons. And one thing that we have to focus on is our attendance, because if you're not here, our amazing teachers can't teach. So we ask that you commit to being here and being on time every single day. E-learners, last year when we ended the school year, that was kind of thrown together and everyone was just doing the best that they could. The expectation for this year is that you are supposed to follow the regular schedule. So during first period, you're supposed to log in. There are going to be attendance questions that you will have to submit, and that will log your attendance and the time. You do that for each period. those students who are doing e-learning, with the exception of a digital information technology with Mr. Steffen, a horticulture class with Miss, sorry, don't have all my names down, Patino, and then also a senior FSA and junior FSA prep with Miss Brooks. Those students actually will be Zooming with their teachers on a regular basis. And then they will be, through Canvas, assigning your assignments. For all the other students that are e-learning, you are going to be participating in Edgenuity. So most of you have done that in one shape or another. And you are going to be assigned, for example, if you have e-learning, you're at home, first period, Miss Henderson is going to be your contact. And we're going to put all this information out so each of your teachers will share that with you beginning during our e-learning, or e-learning for everyone, our Smart Start Week. So again, thank you for welcoming me to Simmons, and I am very excited about this school year. Is it going to look the same as last school year? By no means. But again, we're going to continue that tradition of excellence, and our goal is focus on attendance and focusing on getting you the credits that you need to graduate. So again, thanks a lot.